Login loop error on Webull Fix. Getting stuck in a login loop on Webull can be incredibly frustrating. You type your credentials, hit sign in, and it just sends you right back to the login screen. Most people think the app is broken, but here's the surprising truth. It's almost always caused by a cache data conflict or security mismatch. Webull's system is extremely strict with authentication. When your stored login tokens or cookies become outdated, the app doesn't accept them, but instead of showing an error, it simply reloads the login page. Here's how to fix it fast. If you're using the Webull app, start by closing it completely. Then go to your device settings, tap on Apps, select Webull, and clear both cache and storage. This removes any old login tokens that are causing the issue. Reopen the app, enter your credentials manually, and log in again. For desktop users, try opening Webull in a private or incognito browser window. If you can log in successfully there, irregular browsers cookies are the culprit. Go back, clear all cached data and cookies for Webull, and try again. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Webull flags unfamiliar IP addresses for security, and that can interrupt your login session. Another tip, if two-factor authentication is enabled, double-check that your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Even a minor time difference can make your login code appear invalid and trigger the loop. Once you've logged back in, consider enabling fingerprint or face ID login on the mobile app. It keeps your authentication local and avoids token conflicts. So, the fix is simple: clear cache, disable VPNs, and ensure your time settings are correct. The next time you face a login loop on Webull, you'll know exactly what's wrong and how to fix it in under a minute.